aldehyde, aldehyde, aldehyde. Two aldehydes, three aldehydes are there. 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3. And even the 1, 2, 3 is propane. Propane. So first carbon contain aldehyde. Second, third carbon contain aldehyde. Second carbon also contain aldehydes. So then finally what you observe here? So propane, propane, 1 comma 2 comma 3 try aldehyde. Understood? Propane 1 comma 2 comma 3 try aldehydes. Are you got the idea how to write this nomenclature? Second, you observe here. Same naming here, numbering from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So aldehyde to write like this here. So first carbon functional group is there, that is aldehyde, and third carbon keto group. So here, so which is giving the first preference, aldehyde to or keto? But here already discussed here, aldehydes when you take as a suffix R, but ketone suffix as a ol, but carbon as OE. But here predicts aldehydes formyl, ketone oxy, and carboxylic acid carboxy. So here, if the two functional groups are present in a carbon chain, so then what to do here? First to give the preference to the aldehyde, after then keto group. Okay now. So here keto is a prefix. So here aldehyde is a suffix. So now observe here. So total how many carbons are there? 5 carbons are there. Okay. So third carbon get keto group. Keto group prefix what? Oxy. 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 So means 3 oxy. 3 oxy. So say total name what? 3 oxy. Pentanol. 5 carbons are there now. 3 oxy pentanol. 3 oxy pentanol. Understood? 3 oxy pentanol. So this is the second structure nomenclature. So okay, all of you note this one. Next one, third structure we could observe here. So here also we observe functional group is there, and here double bond is present on the same carbon chain. So first observe here, numbering give from the aldehyde to this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 carbons are there. So what is the mother structure? What? Hexane. But here, so in hexane, third carbon get aldehyde, article in double bond. So first carbon aldehyde. So then what to do here? 3, 6 carbons are there now. 3 hexenol. 3 hexenol. 3 hexenol. 3 hexenol. Otherwise you can say hexane 3 enol. 1 nol. Like that. If you say same structure, hexane 3 e 1 nol. Like that. If you divide the structure part, after we can give the nomenclature like this one. Hexane 3 1 nol. Otherwise, if you combine say here 3 hexenol, 3 hexenol, like that. Now go for the fourth one. What you call this one? The cyclic compound. You know cyclic compound. So cyclopentanone. Cyclopentanone. So here how many carbons are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's why pentanone. So here TW is there, na? So TW means old. It is old. But here fifth structure observe here. Up to here we can say what you call cyclohexane. Cyclohexane. Here which function will be present here? Aldehyde function will be present here. So that's why what you write here? Cyclohexane carbaldehyde. Cyclohexane aldehyde otherwise. Cyclohexane aldehyde. Cyclohexane aldehyde. Like that we can give the noun. So this for the fifth structure. Go for the